channel, and for those who are seeing me for the first time, then my name is Ananya, and you can take a little bit of time and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell notification so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And so let's get started. As you have already known from the title that today's video is going to be a makeup tutorial, so I'm just gonna tell you that what we are gonna do. This is basically a first impressions, because I have a lot of new products which I am going to try out today. And just because I was so excited for trying out this new palettes, I got this from Hawk Makeup. If you don't know what is Hawk Makeup, then it's a page in Instagram. I was really excited to try because this has some very good and unique colors. As you can see, this is the Under the Sea. I think it's pronounced Nika K. That's how it pronounced. And this is the colors. You can see how beautiful this palette looks. This and this one, it's Sugar Plum. This is how it looks. I'm really sorry I cannot show you this. This is the colors. I think it's dropping. I cannot show you. It was dirty. I was really excited to try out this palette, so I thought let's do a makeup tutorial. And I'll leave all the links down below if you want to know from where I've got this. I'll leave everything linked down. This 3 cost me 1045, which was, I think, is very reasonable and cheap for products like this, because these pigments were very good. I have tried this palette and just this one, and I really like it. You can I just post the picture. You can see how it created. I used this one, the teal shade and the blue glitter shade. It was really good, and I'll just post the picture so you can see it. Let me just first apply a moisturizer. This is the Nivea Soft Light Moisturizer I'm using. I'm just taking a little bit, just a little bit. God. Very important that you apply a moisturizer, especially for dry skin type. I think the moisturizer has really seeped in, and we should get started quickly. Guys, I have got this new primer, which is the L'Oreal Base Magic Transforming Soothing Primer. This is how it looks. This is the new one. I have tried it once, and I have tried it on some people. I'm gonna take this much and I'm gonna put it where I have my toes. I'm gonna do our eyes first, so I'm gonna use this Nykaa Get Set Click Cream to Powder Compact. It's basically a concealer, a foundation, and all those things in one. By the way, I'm using the Blue Heaven powder. I have been using this powder from a long time and I really like it. You must have seen in my Insta, IGTV, makeup videos, and everywhere. I have been using this since the day I got it, and I really like it. Just use this today, the Sugar Plum one, and let's go with this pink one. Let's see, dust off the excess. Gonna go with this color. It's a purpley color. Let's take that one in the outer corner. And now I'm gonna take this beautiful glitter shade and I'm just putting that in my eyelid. I'm gonna use my fingers, obviously. This is how my eyes look, guys. Believe I got new lashes and it's from Nykaa. Hear me out. This is so difficult because it's my first time applying some lashes and it is so fucking difficult. I'm just gonna do it off camera and I'll be right back with you guys. I'm back with the lashes and I ruined the look. The glue was all over the place. Comment down below, guys, how do you think I did a job? It was my first time and it took me like 1 hour just to do this. Jump into our face makeup, and this is also a new product which I'm using today. This is the Superstay Maybelline Full Coverage Foundation. Everyone just rave about this product and I really wanted to see why everyone like this product so much. Everyone say it's a full coverage foundation, so let's just use it and see what this happens. Like, it stays for 24 hours and everything. It's Jeffree Star approved and everything, so let's just see how does this works. I got my new foundation. For my concealer and the same brush, just to cover a little bit parts where I think it is needed to be covered and nothing else. I'm using this Blue Heaven powder for baking again, and if you guys are like oily skin, you can use a compact powder to just cover your face and powder your face exactly just to matte your foundation and everything to set in place. As I'm a dry skin, my skin tends to become more dry if I set my face with a loose powder or a compact. Just let it bake for some time, and I'm gonna do my eyebrows, and I'm using this Maybelline Duo Fashion Brow Duo Shaper. This is what I'm using. By the way, this is in the shade grey. It's a pencil and it's very light. It's not very much pigmented, and that is how I like my eyebrow pencils to be, not to be so much pigment. I take a spoolie like this and I just brush it over. Today I'm gonna use this one. This is the NYX Professional Makeup Blush in the shade Bitten. Yeah, in the shade Bitten. I'm gonna use this. This is a really pigmented blush. You can easily go wrong with it, so it's good to be careful. It has a little bit of chunk particles, glitter particles in it, but it doesn't show like that on your face, right? So it's good. I really like how it applies. You can see it's very much pigmented. Just don't be afraid to put a lot of blush, because this look feels like I have this blush. It's very natural, and I really like blushes. Yeah, I used to not like blush. I used to not apply blush. Then when I just got the hang of it, I apply blush every time. Using this Maybelline Master Contour palette, it has contour and blush and highlight. I'm gonna use the contour shade. This is the only palette contour stuff I have with me. I don't have anything else. The double chin of yours, always do it, because it is not good having a double chin. Not good, guys. Highlighter, I'm taking that palette only, using that palette, using that highlighter. Today I'm gonna use the NYX Powder Puff Lippy in the shade Cool Intentions. This is how this looks, and I'm gonna apply this all over my lips. And this is in the shade Billboard. Come to the end of the video, and if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Leave down comments below about what do you think of this look and my lashes, obviously. And I would really like you to subscribe to my channel, click the bell notification right next to it, so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I have finally reached 100 subscribers. I owe to each and every one of you. You guys are amazing. Please keep supporting me like that, so that I grow further and further. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye bye.